In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch a successful meme coin using bundler bot and volume bot. I'm going to share a new strategy to not get flagged by Axiom Pro or BullX. Also, I'm going to use a volume bot in live to show you how it works and how much money you can make. Before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, I have to mention this video is only for educational and entertainment purpose. Please do not take any action based on this video. Now, let's get into it. If you're looking for a killer token idea, you need a Twitter tracker. Personally, I suggest to use Axiom Pro. You can find the link in the video description. Go to the tracker section, customize feed, and click on import. I have a full list of Twitter handles that you have to track. I'm gonna share this list on my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the video description. Just copy the list and paste them in here. This is very useful for both MemeCoin traders and also developers. Now just go to the Discover section, click on Twitter tracker. In here we can see the alerts from those handles, and as soon as we find a tweet that has the potential to become a meme coin, we have to immediately create one for that. Now let me show you how you can bundle the supply without getting flagged. One of the most affordable bundler bots in the market right now is Pump.fun. They made some massive updates. For example, right now you can launch tokens with a delay, which is a very cool feature. I'm going to show you how it works. By using my link in the video description, you can actually get a very juicy discount. Just click on the link. First, we have to create some wallets. Just click on that. Let's create a dev wallet. This is the actual wallet that will create the token. Make sure to not deposit more than one SOL to this wallet. It doesn't look good. Click on next. Now I have to create fund wallet. This is basically the mother wallet that will transfer all the funds to some buy wallets. Basically, those buy wallets will bundle the supply. So just click on this. The more you can transfer is better, but since this video is only for educational purpose, I'm gonna transfer one SOL, but I suggest you to transfer more. Just click on next. Now I have to create buy wallets. These are the actual wallets that will buy the token and will bundle the supply. Right now in their recent update, you can create up to 24 wallets, which is very cool. But in this video, I'm gonna create 4 wallets. Now we're ready. I only have to transfer some funds to my dev wallet and also fund wallet. So I'm gonna pause the video and we'll back very soon. I funded the dev wallet and also fund wallet. Now all I have to do is to click on distribute to buy wallet. Click on distribute to buy wallet. I want to transfer 1 SOL, so just write 1 and I have to confirm this. Now it's time to launch our token. Just click on back. This time click on launch. We have 2 methods to launch the token: safe bundle and delayed bundle. In safe bundle, your dev wallet and all your buy wallets will purchase the token at the same time. As soon as you launch the token, all your wallets will purchase the token. This is safe because there is a low chance that someone can front run you. And this is very good if you use a Twitter tracker, because as soon as someone tweet about something, you can immediately create your token, and this is quite good. But unfortunately, this will get flagged on Axiom Pro and BullX. If you don't want to get flagged, my suggestion is to use delayed bundle. Delayed bundle is good for some projects that you have planned to do some marketing for them. They are not based on tweets or a very big hype. Basically, in this kind of bundle, your dev wallet will launch the token and immediately buy that. And you have to wait for a few minutes, because after you launch the token, many snipers will buy that token. They will jump in. you should wait for a few minutes to, snipers get out of their positions, they sell their tokens, and after all of them sold their tokens, that's the time you will use your buy wallets to bundle the supply. This is great because you don't get flagged by Axiom or BullX. But if you want to launch the token based on a tweet, since so many snipers could jump in and the token could pump so hard, this is not a good option. In my previous video, I showed you how you can use safe bundle, but in this video I want to try delayed bundle because this is quite good. Let me actually click on this. This is a new feature by Pumpkin. In here you can see your buy plan. Only our dev wallet will purchase the token at the beginning. Let's click on confirm. We have to write a name for the token. Actually, Elon Musk recently tweeted about Remes, and someone created a token for that. It pumps so hard. I want to do something similar but a bit different. I found a very interesting article about Romulus and Remes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write the token name as Romulus and Remes. Let's actually write it. For the ticker, I want to use R and R. And I copied this description from Wikipedia. You can paste it in here. I actually have to upload my image. Let me upload it as a file. For the X, I'm gonna paste Elon's tweet about it. For Telegram, I want to skip this. And for the website, I'm gonna paste the Wikipedia link in here. Now we can actually see a summary of our token, the image, the name, and all the information. Everything looks good for me. All I have to do is to click on confirm, and immediately my dev wallet will launch the token and buy that. Now let's click on confirm, and my token created. In here you can actually see the contract. Let me actually copy this. On Axiom Pro, let's actually paste that. I can see the token. Let's actually take a look at here. As you can see, my dev wallet was the first one who bought the token, and after that many snipers jump in and bought the token. I have to wait few minutes for these snipers to sell their tokens, and then I can use my buy wallets to bundle the supply. Okay guys, something around 1 minute passed, and as you can see, all the snipers sold their bag. I still have my tokens. You can see the chart on GMGM website as well. I was the first wallet who bought the token. Still I have them, and right now in 1 minute all the snipers are out, and now it's time to bundle the supply. All I have to do is to click on buy more. You can see the buy planning in here, and let's confirm that. Now let's take a look at the chart. On Axiom you can see a pump. All bundles happen successfully. There's no sniper. And I only bundled something around 0.6 sold. This is a very low amount. The more you can put is better. You should at least reach to $20,000 market cap at the beginning. Now let me show you how you can use volume bots to attract more buyers. The volume bots that I'm going to use is ChartUp. You can actually use my referral link in the video description to get 10% off, which is great. Just click on the link. Unlike most volume bots on the market that they don't support Pump.fun or PumpSwap, ChartUp supports everything from Meteora, Radium, Pump.fun, PumpSwap, everything you need. Also, you can get holders for free. Basically, let's say for example you want to use 3 Sol to add volume. They will transfer these 3 Sol to different wallets. They will constantly buy and sell. They will transfer to different wallets. Again, do the same thing. And every wallet that they, for example, buy the token, they will keep a small amount of tokens. Like for example, let's say only 1 token in the wallet to increase the number of holders. In this way, you can get both volume and holders. But keep that in mind, on Pump.fun platform, you have to pay something around 1% as the transaction fee in each buy and sells. But this amount is 0.25% on Radium. So if you want, for example, to spend 3 Sol as volume, you can get something around $50,000 volume on Pump.fun, but this will be something around $200,000 on Radium. I wanted to mention this to make it clear. Now let's actually add volume to our token. Just click on boost volume, just click on Pump.fun, and in here you can see different options, but I want to use test mode for 2 hours. This is the cheapest option that you can have. Just click on that. I have to paste the token contract in here. We have to pay 3 Sol in here, but by using my referral link, since you get 10% off, you only have to pay 2.7 Sol. And most of these Sols will use for transaction fees because we need hundreds or even thousands of transactions. Now, let's actually click on this. By clicking on yes, I can actually get new holders for free. Let's click on that. Now I'm gonna transfer 2.7 Sol to this wallet address. I actually paid for the package and it's gonna start in few minutes. Volume bot is actually started and I increased the video speed so you can see some buys and sells. The amount of buys are totally different. There is no algorithm between them. You can see, for example, 3 buys, 1 sell, and this is quite good because it makes it quite natural. Now I'm gonna pause the video and we'll back in 2 hours. Something around 2 hours passed and my package run out. As you can see, I have 160 holders and around 5,000 volume. This should be actually higher, but the Sol price dropped a lot and it affected the volume. Every minute I had something around 1 or 2 transactions. As you can see, nothing crazy happened. I didn't attract many buyers. The reason for that is the market cap of the token was very low. Don't expect people buy your token at $3,000 to $5,000 market cap. You should at least reach above $10,000. Ideally 20,000, and you can do this by paying some KOLs to promote your project. You can bundle the supply using pumpkin until those levels, or you can find a very new tweet by some people like Elon Musk or Donald Trump and immediately create a token for them, because most buyers will come in this section and this section. No one usually care about this because most of them are rugpulls. But let me actually show you how we can sell our tokens. On Pumpkin, you can sell a percentage of the tokens. You can sell only dev tokens, but I want to sell all. So just click on that. And I sold all my tokens. Let's take a look at GMGN website. You can see this big dump. Pumpkin right now has a great discount, especially if you're using my referral link. Definitely check it out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Cheers!